Hey everyone, this is Edwin with Shirt Stay Plus, and I want to thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. This is going to be a short video tutorial on our Shirt Stay Plus stirrups. These stirrups, they come with two straps, one for the right side, then you have one for the left side. The wide section attaches to your shirt tail. You have the adjuster, but instead of a clip, you have a stirrup loop, and this is going to wrap around your foot. Now, to get these straps on your shirt, you can have your shirt on, attach the clips on either side, or you can lay your shirt down somewhere on a bed, on a couch, and you can put the shirt stays wherever you desire. Now, once your shirt is on and you have the straps on, you want to simply take the loop, wrap it around your foot, and it should look like this. You want to do the same thing to the other side. Make sure that the adjuster is adjusted to your desired length. And you want to make sure that you have enough tension to keep your shirt tucked in. Now, the good thing about the stirrups is that it does not matter how long your socks are, being that the stirrup loop is not going to attach to your sock. The stirrups are a great option for you if you do not care about keeping your socks up. They're going to do the job for you. They're going to keep your shirt tucked in all day long. They're made with the same quality as our other shirt stays, and they're one of our best sellers. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us a message, contact us, and we'll make sure to respond. Once again, thank you for visiting the Shirt Stay Plus YouTube channel.